For Japanese people, the sound effect alone is enough to imagine the whole situation. When you hear shin, what scene comes to mind? When no one is speaking, we say shien. What scene comes to mind when you hear chun? That sharp feeling when wasabi hits your nose, or a cold, distant attitude? What scene comes to mind when you hear jin? A touching moment that fills your heart, or that tingling feeling when your leg falls asleep? What scene comes to mind when you hear kin? Do you think of the sound of an airplane, or that ringing feeling in your ears? Or, a la lechon?